What's up guys, and it's time to review the mega feature leak of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Last time we talked about the potential pricing for the entire S10 lineup, and now we have a mega feature leak. First up, the official stuff. Courtesy of Mobile Fun, we now have the confirmed names for the entire S10 family. The cheaper Galaxy S10 model is indeed going to be called as S10 Lite. The Lite here suggests that it is the affordable one, but still it packs a lot of features as we have talked about before. Then we have the middle S10 Edge model with a curved display. It's been a while since they have used the Edge moniker for their phones. I think the last time they did was back in 2016. And then we have the bigger model named Galaxy S10 Plus. Seems pretty good. The only thing I would say here is that if they're going to use the Edge name for the Galaxy S10, then it should be S10 Edge Plus for the bigger model as well. Now, Mobile Fun received this information from the official supplier, and they also think that the Edge doesn't need to be there since every flagship after the S7 family has an Edge display. So it doesn't really matter if they use the Edge or not, but since they have this flat Galaxy S model coming up, they are using this Edge name in order to differentiate. Either way, I'm fine with the Edge naming. As far as the official colors are concerned, we have the black, green, berry pink, blue, navy, white, and yellow colors. A total of 7 colors, and yellow here could be exclusive for the Lite model. Now let's talk about the official mega feature leak. Out comes the XDA with a bang. This leak is coming straight from the One UI beta from Samsung, so you know that it's true. So from the actual code, the developer Max Winback, he found these strings, and as you can see, it says bright night. From the name, we can see that it is in night mode for the Galaxy S10's camera. It says take bright pictures even in dark conditions. Hold your phone steady while taking the picture. The top string says that suggest mode to take bright pictures even in very dark condition. This will automatically use night mode when you're taking photos in very dark scenes. Bright night will be a game changer because Samsung has a really advanced hardware, and combined with the software optimization, things could look really good. In fact, the whole scene optimizer thing that they have recently introduced on their phone is pretty incredible. It allows the colors and the results to pop out, which makes pictures really attractive. Now, night mode is something that was started with Huawei, and I think it's the best on the Pixel 3 right now because its night side even works with selfies as well. So I would really hope that Samsung's bright night mode should work with the front camera as well. Good news is that we have an incredible camera hardware on the current Note 9 and the S9, so there's a very good chance that this bright night feature will come to the current flagships as well, but it will definitely work the best on the Galaxy S10 family because of the dual NPU and lots of other improvements that are coming with the future flagship processors such as the Exynos 9820/Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. Now, Samsung is also finally upgrading the fast charging tech with its upcoming Galaxy babies. According to this tweet from Ice Universe, the fast charging 15 watt will be history. We don't know how much are they going to improve from this, but it's better to know that even faster charging is coming from Samsung when others don't even give you a fast charger in the first place. Anyways, the Galaxy S10's hole on the front will be smaller than the one on the Galaxy A8s. I've talked about it in the past, and from this leaked screen protector, we have our confirmation. It can be seen that the S10 will be a one-handed device. Its size will match the size of the Samsung Galaxy S8, which is a very pocketable one-handed phone to use. Despite having a larger 6.1-inch display, that is the advantage of having less bezels. So with One UI on board, it will truly deliver a one-handed control of the phone. Other than that, according to the Ice Universe, the Beyond X is the 5G model, the most spec'd out mega steroid version of the S10 Plus, with 6 cameras, 2 on the front, 4 on the back. For the first time, you get a time of flight sensor for front and back camera on this particular 5G model. It's here for the 3D depth sensing, which can be used to improve portrait mode images and also AR. We'll see the biggest screen as well, coming at 6.7 inches. Now with 5G, it will get launched in United States and South Korea, where the 5G from carriers will be made available. In the future, it might come to more markets where we'll see 5G. Also, according to a new report coming from All About Samsung, according to their sources who are close to Samsung, says that the company has officially begun production of the Galaxy S10. This is a month earlier than the production of the Galaxy S9. Obviously, since Samsung is making 3 variants, they really are going all in along with the 5G variant as well. So a total of 4 Galaxy S10 models are coming. That's why the production is going much earlier than the Galaxy S9's production. And also, they are scheduled to introduce the Galaxy F, the foldable beast as well. So they have a lot on their hand, but they know it. And according to this report, the S10 is well into production, which basically confirms that this infinity hole and the build design for the Plus model is final indeed. That's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Mega feature leak is here indeed. We'll see the bright night feature with the camera that will change the game of the night mode for Samsung phones. Something I really want to have on a Galaxy flagship phone. It's coming finally, and also lots of colors to choose from. Official naming is here. Faster charging is coming. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.